If you want to install iOS launcher or iPhone theme on your Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all, we need to open the Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, over here we can tap on the search option at the bottom, and then over here we're going to use the search field at the top, and you can search for iOS launcher, iPhone launcher, iOS theme, or something similar to that. Now over here, once we search for the launcher, you should be able to find many different example launchers that of course you can try to use. Feel free to choose any launcher from this list. I don't really have to tell you which one specifically you need to use because all of them work in a very similar way. And in my case, I'm going to use this one. So of course you can try this one with me. I'm going to also show you how to set it up. But like I said, feel free to try anything else from this list in case you don't like this launcher or in case it doesn't work for you as intended. And let's open the launcher. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, but the launcher is free. So now over here, we're gonna, we don't have to agree to let the launcher use location. I'm gonna grant access to everything else, however. Now over here, we want to go to make default launcher in here. There we go, we have our ad, so let's skip it. And then you want to press on OK. You will be redirected to the default home app selection and you want to choose iOS launcher. This should allow you to simply use the launcher whenever you go to the home screen, so you don't go back to the standard launcher. And there we go. As you can see, now we have our iOS launcher. We can also go to the app library without any issues whatsoever. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.